An organization aims to deploy an ML model on Amazon SageMaker for real-time inference. The expected traffic is sporadic during the day and non-existent at night. Which deployment method provides the most cost-efficient solution for this traffic profile? Option A, use a SageMaker real-time endpoint coupled with a scheduled auto-scaling policy for peak usage.
Option B, use a SageMaker serverless inference endpoint, potentially using provisioned concurrency if needed during active hours. Option C, use a SageMaker asynchronous inference endpoint with an auto-scaling policy that terminates resources when idle. Option D, use a SageMaker real-time endpoint managed by a Lambda function designed to toggle the endpoint availability based on a schedule.
Consider the fundamental challenge of balancing cost and performance in cloud environments. The goal is to ensure low latency responses during active usage while avoiding the overhead of paying for compute resources during periods of zero activity, such as overnight. Choosing the right architecture requires understanding how different endpoint types handle resource allocation during idle states.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. Amazon SageMaker serverless inference is the optimal choice for intermittent traffic because it automatically scales compute resources to zero when there are no requests, ensuring you only pay for the actual inference time. Why are the others incorrect? A standard real-time endpoint, as described in option A, incurs fixed hourly costs, regardless of whether the model is actively processing requests, which is inefficient for off hours. Option C is designed for large payloads or long-running tasks, not the immediate response time required for real-time inference. Finally, option D introduces significant operational complexity by attempting to toggle endpoints with a Lambda function, which is not a native or cost-effective way to manage infrastructure.